Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel. I trust that you're doing well. In this video I'm going to take a quick look at the price action of Tfuel as Tfuel is moving to the downside alongside the rest of the market being down about 3.5% at the time of recording. We see that Tfuel got up to my first area of interest which is the 0.382, the Fibonacci retracement, and we are seeing a bit of a rejection there at this point in time. And I'm not surprised by that. I mean, it's a pretty significant level. A lot of professionals watch that area. It's likely going to be resistance, for a period of time. However, we do see that as Tfuel is rejecting from that, it has an opportunity to stick in a higher low versus this pivot right here, as well as this one and this one right here as well. Being that it's a daily chart, that could take a little bit of time to play out, but we are seeing price action come into contact with the 0.236, which we see that it was, it was resistance in this area here. It was somewhat of support in here, is pretty much just getting shredded here by these candle bodies, but ultimately did hold a support for a little while there. It was clear resistance right here. We see plenty of wicks trying to hold it as support there. So we do see a lot of action happening around that level there. And at the time of recording, we see that the daily candle is testing it right now. We do see that the 89 exponential moving average is in confluence with that. And just down below, we see the 100 as well as the 200 EMA coming down in around 31 cents. So a couple other things that could potentially play a little bit of defense. And as you can see, if price action wants to come down and test that 200 EMA, well, once again, it would be a higher low as price action tries to undo this downside that we've been seeing for quite some time. Actually, it's been mostly just sideways and stuck in the mud for quite some time here, building up a base. So assuming the rest of the market can continue to hold, Theta continue to hold, I think Tfuel will follow suit over time. And my conditions for upside is going to be, first and foremost, I want to see price action get through that 0.382, coming in at about 40 cents. Hold above that level, and then I think the next area to watch is the 0.5. And of course, we saw a pretty nasty rejection from the 0.5 last time price action got up there. And it was the same thing for Theta as well. So that'll be another pretty big area to be paying attention to. If price action keeps drooping to the downside, perhaps we could look for a bounce somewhere in this area right here, coming in around 31.5 cents. Getting down below that, then I think we'd have to watch this purple box down below with the top side coming in at around 28 cents and a bottom side coming in around 27 cents. But as of right now, I'm still more than willing to give Tfuel a chance as we're seeing that higher low structure coming in here. We're not seeing, price action dump, certainly not seeing it pump by any stretch of the imagination, but every single time the bears try to push this thing down, I mean, the bulls are just stepping in sooner and sooner. So I still think it's very reasonable to be giving Tfuel a chance right here. But let's see what happens coming into the new week here. Let's see what the rest of the market decides to do, what Bitcoin decides to do, and then we'll have a pretty darn good gauge as to where the rest of this market could be heading. But again, that's just simply my conditions. I don't care when it happens. Closures up above there, hold that level. Let's watch that 0.5, and then I'd be more than happy to reassess price action at that point in time, and things would be looking pretty good for Tfuel, assuming that it does do that. And that 0.5 once again coming in around 44.5 cents. Anyhow, those are the areas that I'm watching. Hope you're all doing well out there. Thanks so much for coming by and checking out this video. Looking forward to seeing the next one. Until I do, have yourself a powerful day.